फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है लेवल्स ऑफ शेड्यूलर. शेड्यूलर इज एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम मॉड्यूल दैट टेक्स डिसीजन फॉर admitting next job into system or execution. Scheduling can be exercised at three levels, which are high level, medium level and low level. High level. High level scheduling, it deals with the decision as a whether to admit another new job to the system. The high level scheduler controls the admission of jobs into the system, decides which newly submitted job are to be converted into the process and to be put into the ready queue to complete for access to the processor. This activity is only really applicable to batch system, since as online environment processes will be admitted immediately unless the system is fully uploaded. Second one is medium level scheduler. The key idea behind a medium term scheduler is that sometimes it can be advantageous to remove processes from memory and thus to reduce the degree of multi-programming. At some later time, the processes can be reintroduced into the memory and its execution swapping can be continued where it left off. This scheme is also called swapping as shown in this figure. Third one is low level scheduler. The low level scheduler is the most complex and the significant of the scheduling levels, whereas the high and medium level scheduler operate over time scales of second or minutes. The LS means low level scheduling is making critical decision many times every second. The low level selects from among the processes that are ready to execute and allocate the CPU to one of them. Another of different policies have been decided for use in low level schedules. Now, the next topic is type of scheduling. There is two type of scheduling. One is non-primitive scheduling and second one is primitive scheduling. First, non-primitive scheduling. In non-primitive scheduling, a scheduling decision is made every time which job in the system finished its execution, and it means once a process has been given to the CPU that cannot taken away from that process. In non-primitive scheduling, short jobs are made to wait by longer job, but the treatment of all processes is fair. Responses time are more predictable because incoming high priority job cannot displace waiting job. Second one is primitive scheduling. On the other hand, the primitive scheduling, a scheduling decision can be made even while the execution of a job is in progress. Consequently, a job in execution may be forced to release the processor or so that execution of some other job can be undertaken. Primitive scheduling is useful in systems in which high priority processes require rapid attention. To make primitive effective, many processes must be kept in main storage so that the next process is normally read for CPU when it becomes available. Next is dispatcher. Dispatcher Dispatcher is the module that gives control of the CPU to the process selected by the scheduler. This function involves switching context and switching to user mode, jumping to the proper location in the newly loaded program. The dispatcher needs to be as fast as possible, as it is run on every context switch. Dispatch latency is the amount of the time required for the scheduler to stop one process and start another. Thank you.